Hi, would you like to create something like this? Well, I have the answer for this. I'm using this foam brush I have here. You can have all these foam brushes in the link below, and also smudge brushes. And to create this effect with any brush you have, you just have to select the brush, go to properties, and put the smudge pool to the maximum. Even more, if you go to wet mix, you put the pool also to maximum. When you have that in a brush, you can create this effect with almost any brush you like. I have fun shapes like this one, as you can see. Let's try this other one that is called Slinky. Let's go to properties, smudge pool to the maximum, and wet mix pool to the maximum. Now let's take this away, and these are the colors I was using. Let's duplicate this one, turn off, go and select this top layer, reduce it to a workable size. Great. And now we're going to select this brush. Let me show you how it looks. This brush already changes in color with the pressure, but we're going to use that brush in smudge function. So we just hold here, press and hold, select it. Now we have here the slinky press. I will reduce the size to more or less the size of my color here. I think this is the color. Okay, and then I just start. Let's see. This one still is taking too much color from the background, so I will reduce it here and take it like this. Hello. Now with this foam brush, we just created this 3D effect. The only issue with this that is tricky, it is that immediately when you take the pen off, you stop. You cannot continue with the letter. So that's why I save this in the background. You can duplicate. Oh, I have too many layers here. So you just duplicate the one you want to use, reduce the size. Let's take this, reduce the size to the one you want to use, and start drawing with the smudge brush. Again, let's go smaller, and now I'm gonna use a brush. Hello, you. You can see it creates different effect here because it's taking more of the purple than this color. So you have to play around to find the way that you have always the color you want on your side you want. Now, hey you. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you want to know more about how to create brushes, I'm having right now an early bird price in my upcoming course of creating brushes for Procreate, the good, the bad, and the ugly, including some tips for selling brushes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!